So hi guys, today I'm going to explain you about the .java extension and .class extension. So before knowing the .java and .class extension, let's comes to some basic things. Like as we know, CPU understand the machine level language, correct? So for the human being, it is very difficult to understand machine level language. So to overcome this, we are using the high level language. High level language is nothing but like the program which we, you know, uh, which we are using for programming, such as C, C++, and Java and Python, all those things. So we have to, understand one thing. Like if we are using the high level language, but this high level language will be not understandable by the CPU, correct? So we need something to translate that high level language to the machine level language, correct? So for that we have some translator here. So we have the two type of translator here. One is a compiler, second is a interpreter. So compiler will convert your high level language to the machine code at a one shot, and the process is known as the compilation. Okay, and the interpreter, what we have, it will convert the our high level language or high level program into line by line to the machine code. Okay, so here we have to understand interpreter is converting the line by line, and you can say it will be good to say like it will translate line by line, interpreter will be translate line by line, and compiler will translate at a one shot, and the process is not compilation, interpreter process is known as interpretation. Now I'm going to, now you can see here, this is the diagram where you can see the source code. Here the source code is nothing but the program which we wrote in our IntelliJ IDE. IDE is like Eclipse, and after writing that code we are going to save it, correct? And after that saving, it will save with the .java extension, and that .java extension is known as the source code. After running that code, you can say the first process will be the compiler. The process will be the compilation for the compiler, and okay, and after that you can say interpretation for the interpreter, and we will get the immediate code, which is nothing but bytecode. So bytecode will be look like this, 011, like this. You can see here in this image. And here I am giving one more example. Like you can see here, a high level language. Like this is the Java code, and translator here we have the two translator, compiler and interpreter. So compiler and interpreter you can see here, and afterwards we will get the immediate code, correct? Which is nothing but the bytecode, which is in the form of 1001. So we have to keep some note here. The compilation process language are C, C++, Java, okay, and and interpretation process language we have Python, VB scripting, and Java. Okay, so we can think about this like why here we can see like Java is performing both compilation as well as interpretation, correct? So now I am going to tell why it is so. So what will happen, like whenever we are converting the when the translator converting high level language to the machine level language, which is nothing but a bytecode, in that time it will it will do the compilation. But once the JVM will take that bytecode, and it will it will execute line by line. So once it is started executing line by line, that process is known as interpretation. So that's why Java is both the Java perform both the compilation as well as interpretation. So here we can see here also we can see like the programmer write the Java program as save with the .java extension, and their file refer to the source code, correct? So here you can see the example for the code. This is the Java code, and this Java code will help you to print hello world. And here the source code is nothing but xyz.java. You can see the class name, and you have to save with the .java extension. or it will take by default .java. After compilation the source file, we will get the intermediate program which is nothing but bytecode, and that which is stored in .class file, correct? And here we can see the example of bytecode xyz .java. Okay, it should be a .class here. Okay, this is the bytecode. It will look like this, alphanumeric. So here we can't understand, but JVM will take this one and it will execute. So here also we can see, like, let me explain one more time. Like, see what will happen whenever you will write the program, you will save with the .java extension. After after clicking on run, that .java, which is source file, will be converted into the bytecode, and that bytecode is taken by the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, and it will be executed line by line. Okay, so this is the difference between the .java extension and .class extension. And one more thing, to develop and execute a Java program, we need both Java compiler as well as JRE, Java runtime environment, and JVM, Java virtual machine. And both Java compiler and Java runtime environment are available in where? JDK, Java Development Kit. Hope so, guys, you are able to understand. And if you are facing any difficulty, any challenges, so you can ask in my comment section. Thank you, everyone.